Functional group test for alcohols. In a dry test tube, take the given compound and add anhydrous sodium sulfate to it. It is added to absorb water if present. Filter the contents, and to the filtrate add a small piece of sodium. Effervescence occur due to the evolution of hydrogen gas, indicating the presence of an alcohol. Second test. To the given compound in a dry test tube add 2 to 3 drops of acetyl or benzoyl chloride. Place a blue litmus paper at the mouth of the test tube, which turns red due to the evolution of HCl gas. Specific tests of common alcohols. First test is of methyl alcohol. Take methyl alcohol in a dry test tube and add copper turnings to it and heat. Pungent vapors of formaldehyde are produced. Second test. Take methyl alcohol in a dry test tube and add approximately 0.1 gram of salicylic acid and a few drops of concentrated sulfuric acid. Heat the mixture gently. A characteristic smell of methyl salicylate smelling like iodex is produced. The specific test of ethyl alcohol can be performed by taking ethyl alcohol in a dry test tube and add to it sodium carbonate or dilute sodium hydroxide, followed by iodine solution drop by drop with shaking, till the contents turn yellow. Now heat the mixture in a water bath for 5 to 6 minutes and then cool. Yellow crystals of iodoform are separated out. Another test is by taking the ethyl alcohol with sodium acetate in a boiling tube and adding concentrated sulfuric acid to it. Heat the mixture gently. A fruity smell is observed. To identify isopropyl alcohol, take the suspected alcohol and add K2Cr2O7 solution in a dry test tube. Now add concentrated sulfuric acid. Heat the mixture gently. It gives a pleasant sweet odor of acetone. To identify N-propyl alcohol, take the suspected alcohol and add K2Cr2O7 solution in a dry test tube. Now add concentrated sulfuric acid. Heat the mixture gently. It gives a pungent smell of propionaldehyde. N-propyl alcohol does not give iodoform test. Preparation of derivatives. 3,5-dinitrobenzoate. Mix 3,5-dinitrobenzoic acid and PCl5 in a dry test tube. Heat gently on low flame with shaking, then to boiling. Pour the content on a dry watch glass and spread with a spatula and allow to cool. Dry the solid with pad of filter paper. Transfer the dried 3,5-dinitrobenzoyl chloride to another dry test tube. Add alcohol to it and heat in a water bath for 5 minutes. Cool and add 5% sodium hydroxide to it and filter the solid. Dissolve the crude in a minimum amount of ethanol. Add hot water dropwise until turbidity appears. Cool slowly. Filter the solid and dry it between filter paper.